Awesome. Thank you so much, everyone, for your patience, and welcome again to the Blink stage. Up next, we have Wanjiro Mariro. She's here to talk to us about how can we get developers from just talking about Bitcoin projects to actually start developing them. Please take the stage.
Developer, not yet. My background is, I do a lot of things. In school, I'm an automotive engineer, but here I am an AI engineer. So today we are going to talk about making Bitcoin development more accessible with the Fediment SDK. And what we are going to look at, we're going to start with the overview of what Fediment is, what we are doing with Fediment SDK, and how it's going so far. So a little story. I have two guys here, a girl and a guy. And the girl's name is Alice and the boy is Bob. Just random names. So we can see they are both using Fedi and the eCash app, because I'm here to talk about Fediment, and those are the two apps built on Fediment, not the only ones, but the famous ones. So Alice and Bob attend Adopting Bitcoin Cape Town. They are very interested. They hear Eric Sirion is here, oh, the anonymous guy. And they want a meeting. He's here to talk about Fediment and eCash, and they are lovers and fans of that. So when Eric is presenting, he tells them what Fediment is. So what is Fediment? Fediment is two things stapled together. What are the two things? Federated custody and Chaumian eCash Mint. So Chaumian eCash Mint is an invention by a brilliant computer scientist known as David Chaum. So like these two solutions, we have federated custody, which solves how we store our money. And then we have eCash for like privacy, and it's a scalable infrastructure. So Eric goes on to explain his love, his baby, the Fediment project. And he's like, Fediment it's a difficult protocol, because we need experienced Rust developers. Are they experienced? No, they're just full stack developers knowing the basics, JavaScript, maybe Python for the backend. And they're wondering, how can we then contribute to Fediment if you want to build with Fediment? It's like, no worries, guys. I got you. Mm-hmm. Sorry, guys. So he's like, okay, we know Fediment, it has all these like awesome features. It has on-chain support, it has lightning support, fully auditable reserves. We have a built-in backup recovery. And they're like, so we want to build with your Fediment. How can we do that? It's like, because you guys are beginner developers, like I'll get you started on something called the Fediment SDK. So, like we have this Fediment client which is built on Rust, but why not utilize it but with a simple developer interface for you guys? They're like, interesting, we are following. So this is them trying, and me, trying to read Fedimint and become a Rust developer and not understanding nothing. But there's hope. So the developers at Fedimint, like Alex, he's like, I'm gonna build something for you. It's called we're gonna call it the SDK, but we're looking for a cool name. So if you guys have some suggestions, you can give us. So he's like, we are going to use the Fedimint client, but we're gonna give you a simple interface. So if you are a front-end engineer, you can really build something using it. And he's like, I'm sorry for those who couldn't hear it. I had planned it to be so dramatic, but it wasn't as dramatic as I wanted it to be. So they're like, okay, let's hear what Fedimint SDK is about. And he goes on to explain like the components. WebAssembly powered, it has Lightning and eCash payments by default, so zero setup required. Like state management, like the Fedimint client, which is in the behind the scenes, does everything for you. So all the hard stuff, you guys, you don't have to do it. You just build an app, build your own Fedi app, customize it, build your own eCash app, and customize it to fit like your community. And it's framework agnostic, meaning if you're using an older framework, if you're using modern framework, it is vanilla JS compatible, so you can use any like framework you want. You're like, damn, that's nice. So what's our mission with Fedimint? It's making it as easy as possible for developers who want to build using Fedimint and they are not experienced Rust developers. We want the beginners, because I am coming from the like AI background. I'm coming and I want to become a software developer. I'm interested in Bitcoin. I want to build something of my own, but man, it's tough out here. But there's hope using the SDK. And you get privacy, like that's our constant. Privacy, you can create yourself and robust apps if you want to. So can we build a wallet together in like 20-ish minutes? And that's how we came up with this program. So I'm going to sit there and try and explain as you guys follow along. So if you want a code, like this is the real deal. So let's build our wallet together. We're going to create a simple wallet that looks just like Albi. If you have interacted with it, we are going to send and receive via Lightning, and we are going to see the balance. So I had done all the heavy lifting. So can you guys see? I have cloned the repo. Let me show you guys. Okay. Guys, I am an AI engineer and I don't know how to change back to. Sorry? Control P. Pin. Yeah. So I had cloned the repo. That's our repo CD to like our repo. So we have to install our dependencies, and right now npm, most people use npm, but right now npm is what's trending. So after installing, yes, we're going to follow along from like my slides. We have installed it, and then we can spin up the dev environment. Let's spin it up. So it has nothing, just this hello world, but we are going to use it as our interface. So the next step, we install the SDK, and this we're going to go follow our docs, which is at www.fediment.org. Is the internet? Okay. It's slow. Sorry guys, the internet is a bit slow. It's taking a while. No, I cannot. Sorry guys, I cannot just present the slides because we need to follow the getting started like document, like how a beginner would. But who has internet that is working? Like I need someone to hotspot me or something. back on, we go to that documentation, getting started. So we need to do the manual installation of the Fediment core. Because we are using P and PM, copy this one and we paste it. So we have to do the framework setup. That's the next step. And we are going to be using Vite because it's the simplest of them. But we said it's vanilla JS compatible and compatible with so many frameworks. If you want to use Next.js, React, or Webpack, you can do that. So we have to do the installation of this one here. This one. So as it's installing, we are going to update our vitconfig file, and the instructions are still here in that documentation. So I'm gonna import these two. And you're going to import this one, the worker. Let's run it. Can refresh. So nothing yet, but we are getting there. So we can inspect. So we don't have a wallet yet, but we're going to create one. So the next step is we're going to create now the wallet in the source file. Let's call it wallet.ts. And I have the code here to make it simpler. Let's copy and paste. No wallet yet. Go back. And then we import our wallet. Live debugging. Sorry? Oh yes. Live debugging. Sorry guys, it was not here. I've imported it in the wrong place. Sorry about that. Because this is our main file, so we import the wallet here. Done it the wrong way. Refresh it. Yo. I don't know why it's not working. I'm trying to do the debugging and see where can anyone spot devs in the room, any error. The dev in the room. Vit. Yes, because I've updated it. Source.
It's weird, it's working for me.
Use Vite plugin. Let me see what I have. Yeah, plugin was in. Did install. Oh yes, thank you. This is the error. I had forgotten that step, but this is what we go through. it's working. So do we have a wallet? Yes, we have a working wallet. So we just need to do like the AI so that we can receive, we can send, and we can see the balance. So, but is the wallet open? No. Yeah, it's not open, but we are going to fix that. So the next step is we have created the wallet, so let's create the UI with AI. You can use any like UI of your choice, GPT, Claude, Gemini, any, Casa, Vercel, whichever you want, but I'm going to use Cloud. So I have this prompt down here that you're going to use. And you have Cloud. All these are wallets that I've been building. But let's try another one. It's going to generate the code for us. We can do that with GPT as well. Sometimes Cloud is going to try to like show off and generate lots of stuff, but I just need it to be as simple as possible. So if it's too dramatic, we are going to prompt it again. Such a show off. Yeah, now this you can work with. We're gonna copy our code. And you're gonna paste it here. Hmm. So this is good. You have a wallet now. You have a wallet that shows like the balance, can send and it can receive. So let's check if my wallet is open. It's not yet open, but we're going to fix that. So the balance, I don't need dollars, I want sats. So we're gonna edit our code a little bit. Right. Where is it? Mm. Yes. It's showing sats. So that's good. Because we have, don't worry about like the errors, we are going to solve them as we go on. So we continue, we have the UI, so we need to like open our wallet and make it work. So we have this, we copy the code here. How much time left? How much time? A minute. You guys. Like I have like 2 or 3 steps left, so maybe I code without talking. Is that an option? Without talking. Mm. Yes, so Control S. Not yet. Go to. Okay. Live debugging. It's not. To subscribe to balances. So subscribing to balances so that you don't have to refresh your app each and every time like you send or receive. So we have this. Mm. Mm. How much time? Not. need to do some debugging as well. 'Cause I have some errors. Can we continue? No hurry?
We're taking over the time of the next panel, but
Because I need to debug because I've gotten some errors which might take a while, and I have 3 more steps. We generate invoice and we receive invoice. So any dev in the house apart from him? Okay, so it's as simple as that. Anybody can, as a wrap up, anyone can build an app if they want, because we can see they are just simple 5 or 6 steps, and we are piloting, or not piloting really, but if you are a community builder, if you host boot camps, I want to come and do this for your guys, for your team, because I think Africa has a lot of potential, and I feel like people need to build apps that work for their community and serve their community. They need to get their own Fedi app. They need to get their own eCash app, because Africans know what problems they are going through. They know what their community needs. And I feel like we should, as Africa, we can work together to make that work. So I think that is the end of my presentation. I'm sorry that we have not sent or received, but you can do that outside and I can give you some sats. So thank you.
Wanjiru, thank you so much for that technical rundown. Honestly, the ability to understand all of this and also do it live, that's an ability and a skill I really, really admire. I think we all do. Again, thank you so much for your talk. We're going to take a 5-minute break before our next panel, building circular economies in Africa. Okay? I hope you join us right after you're done with the demo, the personal demo from Wanjiru.